Hey, hey, amazing viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Science on Max, your hub of latest innovation in tech. Yes, today we are about to talk about a very interesting topic, which you might want to tag a friend to listen to. I have with me here my four strong experts in this field, and they are going to enlighten us on what AI is and how it is incorporated in healthcare. Yes, before I get them talking, we've had a buzz about autonomous vehicles, self-driven vehicles. We've had robotic waiters and a whole lot of AI engineered systems lately, and people are concerned about the safety of these systems, the cost behind, and the limitation, and a whole lot of questions to which experts are going to give us the answers to all these questions. Yes. Now, I'd like to introduce my guest. On my far right, I have um, Evans. Beside Evans, I have Silas, I have Kwabena, and then Laurentia. Welcome, all of you. Yes. Now, Evans, oh, sorry, Silas, tell me, what's the buzz about AI and what is the concept behind this? Can you enlighten us a bit?
Okay, sure. Thank you very much, Ms. Seraphin. And I also want to appreciate the viewers who are with us here today. So, with AI, so basically AI is a computerized machine system that is managed to simulate certain aspects of human intelligence. Examples are the learning, reasoning, decision making abilities, and reasoning. So, that is a brief introduction of what an AI is. And as to how it's got incorporated into healthcare, we can date it back as early as the days of the computing age, as well as the field of artificial intelligence. Yeah. So researchers, computer scientists, as well as various health professionals from various fields work together to create a complex expert system which would mimic the abilities, that is, the decision making abilities of the various health professionals in the diagnosing process. Yeah. And this happened between the periods of the 1970s and the 1980s. So that's a history about it. So with the incorporation of the AI into healthcare, we see the past years, sorry, we see that the AI was basically used for research and experimental purposes. But now we see it used in various ways, used in medical imaging, also used in robotic surgery systems, as well as let's say, better detection of diseases, and many others. So that is a brief introduction of what the AI has done in our healthcare system today. Thank you.
Quite enlightening. Thank you very much. Yes. Now let's shift into medical diagnosis, Silas. Um, can you shed more light on the pivotal role of AI in medical diagnosis and treatment of sicknesses or diseases? That is. Thank you.
So thank you very much once again. So with the role the AI plays in our healthcare system today, you can see that this field is a rapidly growing field in our world today, especially in our healthcare system, which with time would, let's say, revolutionize the healthcare system. So, continuing, I'll say that there are many roles that the AI has played since its inception till now. We can see it in the various fields of the healthcare systems. One I'll talk about is the field of radiology. Yes, where some AIs have been used in better detecting the abnormalities seen in medical images, images from X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and various other things. Yeah, and also in the field of pathology, we can see AI being in use also there, where it helps in the detection of or to help analyze histological tissue samples help us analyze and classify any diseases that can amount from these pathological field. Yeah. And we see from the robotic system surgery, as I mentioned earlier, um, it is an early, let me see, method that has been introduced. Yeah, where now it's not the traditional way of surgery, but then we have a modern way where AI is infused with it to help us produce more efficient results during the surgery and after the surgery. So with this, the AI is not left. It's not solely dependent. The surgery system is not solely dependent on the AI. Um, there are teams behind who work on these systems, they make checks on these systems, and also they make sure that it runs at its utmost best, making sure it produces efficient results. Yeah, so there are guidelines and protocols that are programmed into these AI infused robotic systems for surgery purposes that enable it to make precision, that enables it um, to be precise in its function. Yes. So there are ancient precision robotic devices or surgery devices that helps us to better make cuts to the body, to prevent any let's see mistakes or anything. So yeah, this is basically the rule that the AI has helped. And then we have various studies, researches that have been done where AI have let's say outpowered, yeah, let me use that, outpowered the powers of humans in terms of healthcare delivery. So a study that has been published in Nature Medicine 2019 shows how the AI were better than the radiologist in better detecting the abnormalities in the medical images. So we see as the AI has improved a lot, and with time, it will further improve and it will help the healthcare system more proficient and efficient in its works. So that's
Wow, wow. Thank you very much, all you viewers. But then I would like to find out from you, would you like to be operated on by a robot or you'd go for your regular doctor? I would like to hear from you. Yes, Kwabena, I'd like to get your feedback on, based on what Silas gave us, that there has been a study that has shown that even robots tend to be far better than the human radiologist. Yes, I would like to find out from you, how does AI become our crystal ball for medical, that is outcome, predicting health outcomes? Are we looking at a sci-fi territory or we are looking at a real world magic? Tell us, how does AI help improve health outcomes? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Seraphim. So, when it comes to predicting health outcomes, one of the things, first of all, that's for sure. Um, so, AIs help to detect health issues quicker, or let me say, there's early disease detection. So, in a case where patients have been published or have been brought out, it can be a radiographic scan or lab result. In a case where these results are out, the AI better helps to um, detect what is wrong with the traditional way where doctors would have to sit together to deliberate on the issue or to think about what is wrong with the patient. AIs, these reports can be fed into an AI system, and then at a go, in a matter of seconds, the AI is able to detect what is wrong with the patient. Now, also when it comes to prediction, um, a patient's medical records or medical history can be an AI system, and then these AI algorithms help to analyze these records. So, for the patient who has cancer, the patient's records, AI has access to these records, and then the AI helps to monetize the progress, helps to check if there's deterioration or there's progress. Yeah. So for basically for prediction. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you. That's quite insightful as well. Personally, I'm learning a lot from you. That's very fun. Yes. Thank you very much for that. Yes. Miss Laurentia, I would like to find out from you. In this intricate landscape of AI, we can't escape the tough questions of ethics and legality. How does AI, this cutting edge marvel, grapple with ethical consideration in healthcare practices? Yes, please tell us.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raffin, for your question. So, about cost effectiveness. When we talk about cost effectiveness, is the measure of the value we put into something. You get it? So, the value you put depend on the money you've placed in something. So, let me make this scenario. You go to a shop and you get two vacuum cleaners. Yes, one costs $100, but for 5 years, and the second one costs $150, but for 10 years. Which one will be more cost effective? Definitely the second one, because you place in more money into it, but it has a longer lifespan. So let's use this as the let's branch into it's like into the AI field. So for AI in healthcare, it can be used for various tasks like medical image analysis, and we have some AI tools for diagnosing cancer, and we have the IBM Watson, which means the International Business Machinations, and it's used for diagnosing cancer. And we have the DeepMind Health, that one is for diagnosing other diseases. So although they'll be reduced in cost for healthcare, yes, in healthcare, but as long as it's doing that, there'll be an improvement in the quality of the healthcare, and this can go a long way to help people in the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Florentia, for enlightening us on the cost effectiveness of this AI system compared to the traditional method. Yes, now back to you, Evans. I would like to find out from you what are the ethical and then the legal implication of incorporating AI into healthcare. Can you tell us about that? Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank our viewers for joining us for this live section. Now, despite all the benefit that AI has brought forth, there has also been ethical concerns that have been raised, and I want to hammer on just some few of them. Now, one major concern that have been raised concerning AI in health is accountability. When you talk about accountability, it's about somebody taking responsibility of what happened. So using AI in health, if there is error in your work, who are you going to put the blame on? Are you going to say is the developer, the AI, or the healthcare provider? So these are some of the issues that have been raised. Accountability. If there are error in medical cases, who should you place the blame on? And then another concern that has been raised is also patients' data privacy. So, AI algorithm uses extensive personal healthcare data, including sensitive information. And then when these informations are not well stored or taken care of, there's going to be a leak of information as to who has access to the information. And then that will also reduce patients' confidentiality in the health system. So the need to build a robust uh, privacy framework that will ensure and safeguard patients' data and increase their confidentiality in the health sector. And then another concern has also been the credibility credibility of the results that AI put out. AI uses information that they collect using databases. And so if this information that the AI have access to is what the AI based on to make prediction, accurate prediction, without if the sources of such information given to AI are actually wrong, it means that the credibility of the results that has been put out there wouldn't be valid. So there is this that concern too has also been raised about AI in healthcare sector, and then biases like the data source. How did you collect it? And then we also live in different demographic areas. So if, for instance, somebody living in a particular condition, a different environment, that may influence the health results of the person. And then AI have access to that information and using it to to make analysis or make predictions of another patient that might not give the right results that is expected of the health sector. Thank you. That's what I have to say.
Thank you very much. Viewers, up next, we'll be talking about reducing medical errors with these AI systems. But then we would like to go on a commercial break. We'll get back to you in a short moment. Yes, please. Yes. Before we went on the commercial break, we were talking about the legality and the ethical aspects of AI's incorporation in healthcare. But then Silas would want to add on to what Evans gave us. So let's listen to him. Thank you.
Thank you very much. With regards to the legal aspects as to how AI should be monitored, you can see that in every healthcare facilities, they are backed with a legal, should I say, committee or sort of, yeah, that helps them in cases, accident cases, and a lot of stuff. So definitely there should be a legal backend to this AI. As to the accountability he just mentioned, if there's to be an error and it is from the developers or the healthcare professionals or maybe a glitch in the AI system, there should be a legal system where they can be held accountable for their actions. So yes, these systems are placed to check the actions of the various stakeholders in these healthcare systems. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. That's quite educative as well. Thank you very much, Silas. Now back to you, Kwabena. Um, how do we prevent this whoopsie daisy moments in healthcare since AI is serving as our vigilance protector? How do we, um, escape from medical errors with the introduction of AI into medical field? Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, in the health field, we are working on humans. So then means that error has to be at the lowest. It has to be the least thing. It has to be like 0.001. Error has to be minimized, basically. So yes. So in case in surgeries, I think Sellers made mention of robotic surgeries. That's true. There is AI powered surgeries which are now in the system, and then they help as some assist the main surgeon during the surgery. Now these AI powered robots are more precise and accurate, and then so meaning that the occurrence of error is will be very low. So yes, so these AI robots help to reduce these mistakes as well. So sometimes you hear that a doctor or a surgeon has left this in a patient forgetfully. Now AI powered robots don't forget. They do what they're assigned to do. They work based on their algorithms. So these AI robots won't make a mistake and cause any injuries or any other health problems. And also when it comes to reducing errors, now each and every human being has a gene sequence, right? Good. So these AIs can also be given the gene sequence of patients. Now, once you know a patient's gene sequence, it helps you to treat the patients better and it helps you to administer drugs better. So, um, feeding these sequences and data into an AI will like help a lot in administering proper drugs or recommending proper treatments for the patients. Also, so in the field of radiography, where we have CT scans, X-ray scans, or ultrasound scans, AIs can also help to analyze this data better to reduce any form of error, to reduce uncertainty, because a typical doctor might review um, a test result and can be unsure of what exactly is wrong with the patient. But with an AI, it's sure. It knows what's going because it's been programmed to do that. So AIs help to reduce mistakes and uncertainty when it comes to treating patients. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. AIs do not forget. That is key. AI do not forget. Thank you very much, Kwabena. Yes, back to you, Miss Laurentia. Yes, as we delve into this incredulous ability of AI and all that, let's get real and peel off the layers. Tell me, Miss Laurentia, does AI come with limitations or challenges? Or are we looking at all sunshine and rainbow? Is everything perfect as we are saying? Thank you.
Okay, thank you once again. Okay, so we know the benefits of AI in healthcare, but that doesn't mean it has no challenges or limitations. We can't overlook that. So when we come to some challenges in AI, yes, and we have some like difficulty in programming this AI system. You know, it's not really easy to program these AI systems. They need special skills. They need time. Invest lots of time in this AI and lots of money. So that's one of the challenges we face. And also the second one is potential for bias, yes, in these AI systems. When I say this, AI works according to the data it's trained on. Do you get it? So if this data is biased, the results of the outcome, or I mean the outcome won't be really effective. It will be wrong. So there'll be lots of errors. You get it? And also it has the potential of reducing jobs in the country. You know, it will be performing various tasks that humans are supposed to do. So it has the potential of reducing jobs in the country. Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much. So, as we are saying, it's not all sunshine, rainbow. It comes at a cost, in that we would have jobs displaced and all that. But notwithstanding, it is worth investing into. I mean, looking at the advantage we've spoken about extensively. Thank you very much. Now we are almost at the end of our session. Silas, please, would like to hear your closing remarks on the AI and its relation to healthcare.
So thank you. So AI as at now has become a powerful tool which can be used in our healthcare systems, which will revolutionize this industry positively. Yes, so with all what we've said, better detecting diseases in medical images, and a lot of things we've said, I think all this will help us be more efficient in our works. And what we health professionals focus on is to provide a quality health should I say, okay, to provide quality health care service to our patients. Yes, so if these AI systems coming in would help us do that better, then I think we should try it and invest more in it and see how it goes. So thank you.
Thank you, my guests and viewers. I trust that you've learned a lot as I have. I mean, I've been quite impacted by this meeting. Thank you very much. And there you have it. We are at the end of our session. And if you have any questions, you might want to put it in the comment section. We'll definitely attend to that. And if your mind is buzzing with new knowledge, don't forget to share this video to your colleagues as well. Thank you very much. Your hostess, Seraphine Sylvester, we are signing out. Thank you very much. Bye.